we will try to solve the following problem in minus pi. So we are trying to find the sine of 2x, where the sine of 2x is 1/2 in minus pi. So let's make it easier. Let's solve for sine of big X, where big X is 2x, is 1/2. This is very easy for us to solve in this interval. So that means we are in here and here. So when in the upper half, we just use the 0 pi. When we are in the lower half, we're going to use the negative orientation. That means the value is going to be negative. So how to do that? So the first thing is we solve for x is 1/2. So let's say this is our x. So we know that when x is pi over 6, we have the sine of x is 1/2. But also when we subtract these angles, so when we also have x minus pi over 6, pi minus pi over 6, which is 5 pi over 6. So it's also 1/2. Okay, so we still have this angle too. Okay, so this is 5 pi over 6. Okay, so the problem is that, so that means x is either pi over 6 or 5 pi over 6. And we are here. So since we are in this the upper half, so we are using the positive orientation. So the angles here are going to be expressed in the positive interval. This one, 0 pi. When we are here down, we have to express it negatively in minus pi 0. That means we are like going this way. All the angles going to be negative. Okay? So since these two angles are in the upper half, they are positively expressed. That means these are the solution for this problem. But there is something that we need to do. So this is my first solution. This is my second solution. If I move around the circle by 2 pi and I keep moving, I still have the solutions. I still get to this point. The same thing here. So that means the solutions are, so x is pi over 6 plus 2k pi, k in z, and the set of integers. Or x is 5 pi over 6 plus 2k pi, k is in z. Okay, so let's solve here. Let's see. Let's try to get this one here. But our problem is not in this case. So we are solving for 2x. So let's switch to 2x. So 2x is pi over 6 plus 2k pi, or 2x is 5 pi over 6 plus 2k pi. So that means x is either pi over 12 plus k pi, or x is 5 pi over 12 plus k pi. Okay, so now for k is 0, I have these solutions. So I have pi over 12, 5 pi over 12. Okay, so let's call this one S. So if k is pi, I have this one, but it's gonna move to this half, so I'm gonna be here. So I'm not gonna take k is 1. The same thing here. When k is 1, I'm gonna be moving here, and this one is gonna be positive. I need to express it negatively. So when k is minus 1, I have pi over 12 minus pi, which is minus 11 pi over 12. So it's in here. It's a solution. When k is minus pi, for this one, I get 5 pi over 12 minus pi, which is giving me minus 7 pi over 12. And this one are in here. So if I do more, I can't do more because I'm gonna exceed this interval, because I'm still in this interval, minus pi 0. So if I do add more, I'm gonna exceed the interval. That's why these are my only solutions. So it's pi over 12, 5 pi over 12, minus 7 pi over 12, minus 11 pi over 12. Because I am getting this solution because I have this restriction. X has to be in this interval, minus pi. So that's why I get these solutions. Okay. I need to check one more thing. I think I did it. I'm assuming that there is no mistakes, and this is the only solution, because if I add minus pi, I'm gonna exceed this interval here, here, here. I think that's it. No more. These are the only solutions. Thank you.